We have clearly stated that NATO's door remains open to European democracies that fulfill the necessary criteria to become members of NATO. We think the open door policy has contributed in a valuable way to creating a Europe whole, free and at peace, security and stability on our continent. And our vision is to see all countries in the Western Balkans integrated in our Euro-Atlantic structures, the European Union and NATO. But as I said, certain conditions must be fulfilled to join our alliance. Montenegro has made substantial progress in a very short time. We commend you for that, but there's still some work to do. It's premature to outline any timelines for future membership, but the brief answer is that the faster the necessary reforms are implemented, the sooner you can become a member of our alliance.